Welcome to Cambridge Car Audio. My name is Ardil and I'm really proud to introduce another one of our videos. Today's video is featuring a Lamborghini Aventador with a completely custom sound system. We're going to be running through exactly step by step the full procedure of how this sort of installation works, but also exactly how the finished product looks if you were to have something similar to this. So we hope you enjoy the video. We've been working on Jay's Lamborghini Aventador. If you haven't checked out the Canon run already, make sure you do. They're on Instagram as well as YouTube. What these guys do is driving holidays, but they basically bring people together with lovely, lovely vehicles, just like this Lamborghini Aventador, and they have a great time over a weekend, and then they also do a week tour as well. So if you haven't seen them already, make sure you go check them out. In terms of this system, basically what we've done is loads of bespoke fabrication work as well as added functionality to this Aventador. So we're really proud to be working on vehicles like this and really proud to be showing you this particular system. So we've got a lot of time and effort has gone into this, so I'd like to thank my team for that as well. But it's an absolutely incredible system. It sounds absolutely brilliant. If you are interested in something like this, the best thing to do is book an audio consultation. If you go onto our website, you can type in Cambridge Car Audio, go to Expert Systems, go to Lamborghini Upgrades, and what you'll find there is a couple of different systems that we've designed in terms of for a Lamborghini Aventador. If you own a different vehicle, a different Lamborghini for instance, you can just get in contact with us. Still book the audio consultation on that page. Just drop in there what vehicle it is, we'll sit down with you, we'll design and spec your system to exactly how you want it. The reason why we do that is because everyone's different. Everyone wants something a bit unique. Customers like Jay, he left full reign in our control, so literally just chucked us the keys and off we go. We have full control over the system, how it's designed, how it's spec'd. We set a budget, but absolutely incredible system that we've gone for here. So I'm going to be talking you through that now. And then what I'm going to be doing is talking you through the functionality as well, which we've added in, which actually benefits the driver more than anything. So in terms of the system itself, what we've got is a 5-channel amp and an Audison Bit 1 processor. So it's an Audison Voce 5-channel amplifier and the Audison Bit 1 processor, which is mounted in the front boot area. Obviously, as the roof comes off of this vehicle, the roof is stored into the front boot. We can still retain that, and that's what we've done on this system. That was very, very important for this customer, and what we've done is fully retain that. So what you've got is amp boot build in the front with a load of custom fabrication work. You've got everything on display, you've got some lighting in there as well, but you've retained the fact you can still put your roof on top of those products. So we can do things in completely different ways, and this is where during a consultation we'll guide you through what the best options are. Then what we've done, which is actually we're the first in the world to do this. So what this is what's called an Audison Thesis custom A-pillar build. So nobody has done one on a Lamborghini Aventador. What's involved in this is quite incredible. So this took a lot of time to do, but well worth it. First of all, for the sound quality. Now the Audison tweeters are on axis rather than the factory position, which is on the dashboard. We've now got on-axis speakers, but also the fact that they are one of the highest spec tweeters that you can buy on the market currently. Incredible bit of kit, and these are actually going to be featuring in our demo car. So if you're interested in something like this, make sure you come by during the consultation. You can have a listen to the system. We'll show you what an Audison Thesis sound system sounds like. So in terms of that setup, that's basically what's involved in that, is basically removal of the dash completely. Everything gets stripped down, basically to take out your A-pillars, and then we fabricate using fiberglass, and we spend a lot of time getting that inch perfect, and then what we've done is wrapped it in Alcantara. So it's got a lovely, lovely finish on it now, as well as the sound quality is absolutely immense. Then what we've got is Audison Voce speakers in the door. Those door speakers are hidden away, they're behind the factory sensing and grille, so this vehicle had sensing them as an upgraded factory option. So whether you have sensing them or don't, we can still upgrade it like this customer's done here. So they've gone into the door, so they're a 6.5-inch woofer in the door, and then what we've got is the 10-inch Prima sub. So what that is basically there was no factory sub in the vehicle. That's now built into a custom fiberglass box behind the 2 seats, not taking up too much room, but giving you loads more depth in terms of the overall sound. You've now got an absolutely stunning soundstage. that can all be corrected. Obviously, your tweeters are in an optimum position. However, your sub's a little bit close to you. So what we can do is what's called time alignment. That's during the process, so we plug our computer in, we'll tune the vehicle, get it exactly how you want it to sound, and we do all that setup. And then the main thing is we bed in the speakers for you. So when you get in the vehicle, obviously we know what you're gonna do, you wanna crank it up. So what we do is we bed in those speakers so you can jump in on day one and just turn it up, and you're not in risk of damaging your speakers. So we set that all up, we adjust the clipping so you can't damage your speakers in any way when you're playing your audio via your phone or via sort of poor quality as such in terms of the resolution that you're playing it through. So that's all really, really key, and that all gets done behind the scenes. It's stuff that customers generally don't get to see. That's why we're doing these videos, to show you a little bit more. Then what we've got is the custom sub box. That's completely fiberglass, again covered in the same Alcantara as the A pillar, so they're all matching. Then what we've got is actually matched the line of the factory panel that goes up into the sub box as well. And then we've got our little logo on the sub box as well. So everything's very, very discreet. In terms of the color of the grille, which you might be seeing, so what you've got is the vehicle is actually wrapped by S6 Wrap. So if you haven't seen them already, make sure you go check them out. They do some phenomenal work. What we've actually done is worked alongside with them on this build, so we've incorporated a couple of the green wrap that was actually placed onto the vehicle on the exterior into our build. So what we've done is a speaker ringing in the green color that the car is in already, as well as the fact we've done a couple of pieces in the front build as well. So it just complements the car, and we can do loads of different things, and it's thinking outside the box. Obviously this customer gave us complete free reign on the product and the product range that we're putting in and how we're doing it, so we can design systems in a different way. Jay's about to come pick up the vehicle. I'm sure he's going to be over the moon with the finished product, but hopefully you found this video useful if you're looking into an upgrade on a Lamborghini Aventador, or just looking into a custom sound system, or looking into a system that's completely hidden away. We can do it all here in Cambridge. So I hope that you've enjoyed this video. You've seen exactly how this custom system has been put together, as well as the finished product. If you're new to our channel, make sure you press that subscribe button below. It will keep you up to date with all of our latest videos. But thank you very much guys for watching. We'll see you soon.